Caraga Region, brothers and sisters, good morning. When John Angelo Villuso texted me the other day and requested me to preside over the opening mass today, I declined for two reasons. One is, I already did it. I presided the Holy Mass opening mass way back in 2002, or 2022 rather, during the SAYAP Regional Assembly. Second, there are, I think, brother priests who are also members of the same schools in Caraga region. But just before I came in, Father Ramel Kanda told me, I have 4 masses today. Ito nga, kung sa'yo dito ako, so, maluoy ka. And so I said yes.